to the channel Mindplay. And today I will be talking about the topic impairment. This is the topic which is part of short-term courses in special education. So come, I will give you some knowledge about it so that it makes it easier for y'all to understand what is impairment. This will be in two parts. The first part is there in this video and the second part I will be posting it soon. Many of y'all may be thinking, what is impairment? Some of y'all will say, impairment is the same as disability or handicap. No, that's wrong. Three words, that is impairment, disability and handicap, differ in their meanings. They don't mean the same. In this video, I would be talking only about impairment, as this is part 1 and part 2 also will be about impairment. So I will tell you what is the meaning of impairment. Impairment is any loss or abnormality of psychological or physiological function or body, that is anatomical structure. For example, it could be loss of feet, defective vision, defective mental capacity, etc. The causes of impairment can be many, like for example, due to cataract, due to injury, due to infection, due to accident, etc. I hope you all understood the meaning of impairment. Wondering what are the synonyms used for impairment? I will throw some light on the few words or names you can use in place of impairment. They are injured, flawed, defective, faulty, malfunction, etc. So you got the idea? Disability and handicap are not another name for impairment. There are types of impairment like vision impairment, speech impairment, cognitive impairment, which is related to your mental abilities, okay, motor impairments, which are related to your feet and hands, also hearing impairment. So these are the few impairments which I have told you about. This could happen for many different reasons. It could be birth impairments or later in life. I would be talking more about it in the second part, where I would be giving you some information on each of the types which I have mentioned here. Thank you everyone for watching.